Too. Here's a hater. What? That's okay, though. Gorilla. And you gotta give me a second or two, you know what I'm saying? Nigga, gorilla. Alright, you lucky that shit. You know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? A second or two, elephant. I said, yo, that's penalty. That's penalty, mommy. That's penalty, yeah? You get your head. Oh, that ain't me, no. Jaguar. Yes, I got you, but it's outside animal. You gotta give me some chance, man. This shit. Yeah, all right. What was that, fool? It's gonna be right there. Yeah, hell with that shit. Eggs what? Eggs and alpha bags? He ain't a bat. Caliphate up. Caliphate? Hold on, I thought it was the E with that K. Frog. Papa, give me something easy. Salsa. Fun? It's wrong. To everything. Hey, don't give me that one. I got it. Take that shit. Monkey? So you give me that. Yeah, monkey. This lady loves to hit. Oh, look at that. What the fuck? Why can't give me the bullshit? I was like, what the fuck? That come on. I lost this Sagittarius. Come on, I need something. Snake! Hey! Okay, Poppy, whose side are you on? Why is his mother like that? Your mom? Oh, this time your mom's right? Jag nothing, man. Jag. She can't say the same thing. I already said it. Okay. Yeah, I know. Wawa. Wawa. Wawa's a bird in the gas stations. No, in gas stations. Well, in the gas station. Wawa. No, it's not. Get the fuck out of here. That's not. Let me get this, man. You trying to keep that fit up? Vancouver? Babe! Take that pillow, this.